unpacking and basic settings of the voltage monitoring relay with current control ZUBR CV2. ZUBR CV2 reliably protects connected electrical appliances from high and low voltage, zero break, and also limits current or power consumption. Voltage monitoring relay is available in 4 ratings: 32, 40, 50 and 63 amperes. We have a 63 ampere model for review. There are 2 screen backlight colors to choose from, white and red. Inside the original box there is an instruction. Here are the electrical and assembly wiring diagrams, a warranty card, and a description of the settings. The warranty for the ZUBR voltage monitoring relay is 5 years from the date of purchase. Let's take a closer look at the case itself. The voltage relay occupies 2 modules on a dual rail, which is extremely convenient when there is a little space in the panel. A ZUBR CV2 has 2 screens that are hidden behind thin plastic. The first screen displays voltage, the second displays a choice of current or power. In the settings, you independently choose which second parameter should be monitored. The device is edged with a barcode, basic technical parameters, and a unique serial number. The device is made of polycarbonate of flammability class V0. That's the best plastic according to fire protection requirements. On the back side of the case, there are special ventilation holes for heat removal. Also, the relay provides protection against overheating. All ZUBR relays measure voltage with high accuracy thanks to the true RMS algorithm, which filters out the excess interference in the network. Setting up the relay begins with setting the lower and upper voltage limits. The voltage relay works according to the cut-off principle. When it goes beyond the limits, it instantly switches off the load. Button I to view the alarm log. We will know about all cases when ZUBR tripped due to exceeding the established voltage limits. Next, it is important to see the delay time for turning on the load after an accident. It is important for extending the life of compressor equipment, such as a refrigerator. Other advanced settings can be left at the factory default and used if necessary. Thus, for reliable protection of your equipment, recommend installing a ZUBR voltage relay. The fast response speed, quality and reliable operation of the devices were highly appreciated by professional electricians. ZUBR voltage monitoring relay for professionals.